Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best outdoor hot tub that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bestway Miami Hot Tub. Whether you're looking at a hot tub for cold climate or in warmer weather, this is going to tick both of those boxes. It's the perfect hot tub for home with its quick setup, which will allow you to have fun or simply relax in no time at all. This Bestway model has a digital control panel that is very easy to use to get the exact settings you want. The hot tub is easy to maintain with quality construction throughout. The only negative we found is the 72-hour auto shut-off feature, which can be a little annoying. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Intex Pure Spa Bubble Massage Outdoor Hot Tub. The first thing that you notice with this hot tub is that there is a huge range of jets that are going to be able to give you the ultimate in relaxation. A few quality control issues have been noted on delivery, but for the most part, this is a brilliant hot tub. It comes with accessories that make cleaning and maintenance very easy. Added to that usability is the fact this hot tub is easy to install with excellent controls. Intex is a highly respected brand in the industry, and you can see why with models such as this. At number 3, we have the Intex Pure Spa 6-person bubble hot tub. Here is another high-quality model from Intex, and one which is ideal for 6 people. It can take a little while to heat up, but once it does, you'll feel the effect of its 170 soothing jets, which help you to feel awesome in the hot tub. A great additional feature of this outdoor hot tub is the headrests that it has. They, together with the seating, are going to give you a huge amount of comfort. The hot tub can also treat hard water, which will be a lot kinder on the kind. At number 2, we have the Coleman SaluSpa 4-person inflatable outdoor hot tub spa. Coleman is another well-respected brand, and there is no surprise that this is another high-quality model. A great feature here is that it has a rapid heating system that can be controlled by a panel that is high quality and allows you to get the perfect settings. 114 jets can be found on this hot tub, which gives you excellent water therapy. While the instructions here aren't the best quality you'll see, the overall construction of the hot tub is brilliant, and once you have it set up, you'll really feel its quality. And finally, at number 1, we have the Intex 77 inches Pure Spa Portable Bubble Massage Spa. Trying to find a large hot tub that is also easily portable can be a tough task. Intex has been able to find it perfectly here. While it is still quite heavy, the wide carry handles on the side do make it quite easy to move around and take to wherever it's needed. It's another hot which will allow you to bathe in soft water with its treatment system. Another part of why this is such a great model is due to the ease of cleaning and maintenance. You can buy it in a size that suits you and one that perfectly fits your garden. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.